So in this video we are going to see how to set up Java for all Java development stuffs that you might want to do. Open your favorite browser and navigate to oracle.com/java/technologies to download the latest version of the installer for your system. In my case, Windows. The link to the website will be provided in the description below. Once downloaded, double-click the installer to start the installation and follow the prompt. Once the installation is done, navigate to the installation folder in your C drive and copy the bin directory of the JDK folder, and let's create an environment variable for it. This is so we can make use of Java on our system. Open your Start menu and search for Environment and select Edit Environment Variables. Click on the Edit Environment Variables button on the pop-up screen. Create a new variable and name it Java_home, all in caps. And paste the bin directory you copied in the value field. Then navigate to the JRE folder to copy the bin folder directory if you have it installed. And then come back to the environment variable window, look out for path in both the system and user variable section and click on Edit, Add New Variable and paste in the path. It's good to leave the link as you see in the video for Android developer licenses. Once done, open a new terminal or CMD window and type Java. If you don't get any red errors, you are good to go. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support this channel. Thank you. And see you next time.